Okay, I'm determining what size of the shims I need instead of the old ones. So how you do that? So first, of course, you measure your gaps. For example, on valve number two, on exhaust valve number two, on cylinder number one, we have 0.20. The factory specification said 0.21 till 0.30 is for exhaust valves. So now we want to go to 0.28. It's a good measure, to be near the loose side. So we'll go with 8. We need to expand that gap on the valve for 8. So instead of 168, we will need 160 shim here, and we will lose this 0.08 millimeters, and we will get 0.28 gap. That's the way you do it.